going to give a quick introduction, and that includes a bit about the iMasons Climate Accord. And then I'm going to have Josh Hatz come up with me, and we're going to be walking through the work we're doing with the ICA. And then we also have Mark Bittinger, who's going to give us tangible, actionable things around embodied carbon in products. And it's a really important thing because we're going to take that into the breakout sessions. Those breakout sessions are going to be specifically targeted towards how do we implement what we're talking about. So tangible, real results, because we need to move on these things.